Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arvin Ichi, and today we will go to the visualizing node matrix. Recent versions of substrate exposed matrix, such as how many pairs your node is connected to, how much memory your node is using, and so on. To visualize this matrix, you can use tools like Prometheus and Grafana. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Grafana and Prometheus to scrape and visualize node matrix. You can see this substrate and this have a pairs count and get current matrix value, and this is a Prometheus. Every 1 minute it send to the substrate the current matrix value and receive a substrate pairs count. You can see this is Grafana. Every time user opens the graphs, and it will send the Prometheus the value of matrix substrate pair count from the time to time, and it's received from the Prometheus the substrate pairs count. Now what you will be doing in this project. First, you need to install the Prometheus and Grafana and configure Prometheus to scrape your substrate node, and you can visualize the Prometheus matrix with the Grafana. And learning outcomes, you can learn how to do a time series scrape for the substrate node using the Prometheus, and learn how to use the Grafana and Prometheus to visualize node matrix. And at first you need to install the Prometheus and Grafana. To install the Prometheus, you can download the program here. Choose the version compatible with your OS. I use Ubuntu and I download this file. So after you download the Prometheus, you can go to the download and extract it here. Yeah, I do one here, Prometheus, and you can extract here. Okay, you can copy this folder to your current node. Yeah, you can see this is the Prometheus file. Okay. And now you download the OSS Grafana. To download this, you need to run the code in the terminal. And use the Linux. Okay, open the terminal. Go to your folder node template. and run this command. Press your password. Okay, and now you can download it by bookmarks. Okay, in the next step you will do this command sudo dpay kg grandfather. This here and run. Okay, we just download the grandfather and Prometheus and go to next step. You will start a Substrate template node. Substrate exposes the endpoint which serves matrix in the Prometheus exposition format available on port 9615. You can change the port with the Prometheus port and enable it to be accepted over the interface other than local host with the Prometheus installed. Now we go to the node folder and run this code to run your node. Okay, you can configure the Prometheus to scrape your Substrate node. In the working directory where you installed the Prometheus, you will find the Prometheus.yml configuration file. And I will open the Visual Code. Visual. And go to the folder in Prometheus here. Yeah, this file. Okay, you can see something like that. Script config, and you can change the job name is Substrate node, and the local host is 9615. Okay, now we go to the folder of the Prometheus. And run this command to install the binary. Okay, it's running, and now you can track all the Prometheus matrix. In the new terminal, we can do a quick status track on Prometheus. Okay, you can see some results like that. Have a substrate block height, and substrate block height in the finalized. and the substrate build info test and substrate database cache bytes. Okay, alternative in browser, open the same URL. You can see this file in this link. Look, it have the same result. Now you can visualizing the Prometheus matrix on Grafana. Now start up Grafana. You will log in into the navigate to it in the browser. The default is localhost 3000. Okay, it's loading. And you can log in with the default user admin and password admin. Okay, I logged in to this before, so it's auto sign in. Now you then need to select Prometheus data source type and specify where the Grafana needs to look for it. With your substrate node and Prometheus running, configure Grafana to look for Prometheus on its default port. Password. Okay, I will go to the export. Okay. Okay, now you will go to the localhost data source here. Okay, it's loading. And see the Prometheus. Yeah, you can use the default port at localhost 9090. And you hit save and test. Okay, it's localhost and you hit a save and test. Now you can configure a new dashboard. If you would like to a basic dashboard to start, here is a template example. Okay. You can copy the JSON file and import in the grandfather basic information by your node. Import this file. And choose your Prometheus. Okay, you can see it's the new dashboard. It have a block height, index, block height, finalized, and block total, and some information about the peers and visualization data with the time. Okay, and if you want to create your own, you can go to the Prometheus docs for grandfather. There you can make some dashboard of yours, and you can go to the community list dashboard. Okay, I will try one of them. Okay, I will try it. You can go to your grandfather. Import the dashboard. Load. Okay, it's your dashboard. But it have no data. Okay, you can load the data source here. Okay, it's all about today's video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.